Hi, and welcome to the final part of our series regarding special relativity. Here, we will give a summary for special relativity as how we understand it. Why is special relativity wrong? Well, special relativity started from the normal velocity transformation formula and obtained an incompatible formula, thus destroyed its own mathematical basis. What is special relativity? Special relativity is an effort trying to build a bridge between relative and absolute motion. There are numerous solutions for each effort, where special relativity is just one of them. To make a smaller speed bigger, you can use a slower clock or a shorter ruler. That is where the time dilation and length contraction come from. What is the first postulate? The first postulate of special relativity is that any physical law is not affected by the observer's reference frame. In the Newtonian system, the first postulate and the normal velocity transformation formula are the same thing. In plain words, all motions are relative. What is the second postulate? The second postulate of special relativity is any ray of light moves in a stationary system of coordinates with a determined velocity c, whether the ray be emitted by a stationary or by a moving body. But in Einstein's reasoning, the second postulate becomes light travels at the same speed in all reference frames, whether the light source is moving or not. The cause of self-contradiction comes from how special relativity requires the motion of light to be relative and absolute at the same time. No matter how special it is, light can never meet these two conflicting requirements of special relativity. That is why special relativity is self-contradicting. Finally, in the previous video, we discussed mass. We're not really sure whether mass changes or not, but in the handling of mass, the Newtonian system is consistent while special relativity is not. That concludes our series. These are all the reasons of why special relativity is wrong. We have discussed each in more detail in our previous videos, and this will conclude our series on why special relativity is wrong. Thanks for watching. Following will be the references that we have used for this video.